VPFI forever.
Hello, my name is Eduardo Soto, straight from São Paulo countryside in Brazil, and this content that you are about to check is sponsored by VPFI Forever, the English platform. Access it. Well, Clinton, thank God we were not recording before this click on the button here because we were talking about that topic that wouldn't be here, you know? You know what
Yeah,
I'm talking about, right?
a little birdie told me that there was some excitement in the classroom just a few minutes ago.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. But the real thing is, man, I told you that I would be here at 5:22, and it's 5:22 right now. So I'm kind of punctual, aren't
Hey,
I?
you damn sure on point.
Yeah. So, I mean, I am a punctual person. And that's very exactly what I want to talk about today. I'd like to know,
Okay.
how is the relationship of you American guys with the punctuality? What do you think about being punctual? Tell me.
I think it's very important. And just to make sure that everybody knows, being punctual, it's like being on time. Like you said, you're going to be here at 3:30, or in your case, 5:22, and you're here at 5:22.
Yeah.
Like that's very important here.
Yeah.
Just because it is. And I think it's because of I don't know. I don't even want to opine because I'm not sure. It probably comes back from Britain or England. Like they have a lot to do with the reason why Americans behave like we do. Or maybe it comes down to like Puritans. I don't know. But because I feel like being punctual as I conceptualize it, and I'm obviously can't speak for all people, but I feel like that has a lot to do with, keeping your word. Do
I
you know
see.
what I mean by that? Yeah.
Totally. Because if I say that I'm gonna do something at that time, I'm gonna be there at that time. Or in my
Yeah.
case, when I say that I am going to do something at that time, I prefer to be there 10 minutes before the time I said, you know?
Yeah, absolutely. So, yeah, I think it might be super important here because of that. And also, I think we prefer to have like a lot of time organizations. Like we like to keep everything organized. Everything has to go at a certain time because especially in the modern day, like everything's going like this. Like
True.
if you're not doing with your time what you need to, you end up left behind,
Yeah, totally.
which is unfortunate. I would like to slow down some, but sometimes I feel like I just can't.
Yeah, I
But
do.
no, but I relate to that anxiety that you just talked about. Like, yeah, I said I'm going to do this at 3:30. I need to be there at 3:20 instead. But I can't help it either. Like, I'm anxious about being places super early.
I
Can't
prefer,
help
for
it.
example, let's picture a scenario here, okay? We are going to a party, and this party is going to begin at 8 p.m. Most part
Yeah.
of people will get there at 9, 9:30, and even 10 p.m. I can't be this person. I really can't. I need to go there at 7:50, okay? It's the time for me. And I arrive there, and probably the guy from the party, oh, here comes the old guy, you know?
Yeah, old man. That old man will be out of here by 9 o'clock.
Exactly like that. And that's why there is a specific reason why I like to take to places first than anybody else. I don't like to salute, no, to uh,
Greet others.
greet, yeah, to greet other people. I like to be there and people come and greet me like a king, you know, like come here.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
you must say hello to me. Thank you.
Exactly. That's why I don't like to go away when there are lots of people in the same place. Ah, bye, people. See you next time. Bye. You know, I don't know how to do these things well. I don't
That's
know.
fair. I know. I understand. It's funny because like I mentioned before, my spouse is from Venezuela, and so
Yeah.
we were talking about this one time, and it was saying, yeah, if you've got like an appointment with an official place, you should be on time. But like getting to a party on time or early, rude. Like that's rude. If someone does that, then like the person who's hosting will be like, I didn't invite you here to help fry the food and help get it set up. Like, go away.
Oh,
Come back late.
all right. I got a last time question here a last time question here from my facts, okay? And the person wanna know just thing, ask him, men, they are more punctual than women in the United States specifically?
I think there's a huge perception that like men are more punctual than women because women are getting ready and this and that, but I don't know how true that is. I
Hmm.
really think that that's like an image that was put out by like media and stuff. I don't know how true that actually is. Wait, let me see if the world's most reliable source has
Okay.
anything to say on the topic. So
We are
let's see.
being sponsored by Wikipedia, right?
Yeah, or
Yeah.
let's just do
A fast
so
search
uh
there.
so this is the world's second most reliable source, the Daily Mail from the UK. It says older women are the most punctual at work, but survey finds three-quarters of men in their 20s and 30s cannot be trusted to turn up on time.
Hmm.
There you have it. So
Interesting.
yes, that's just what that said. I don't know.
Yeah, not us talking about that, but the facts, right?
There's somebody's facts.
Yeah, I do believe it. I do believe it. So if there is an old lady and you have to take her somewhere, believe it's gonna be in the moment, right?
Yeah, it'll be in your best interest to be on time for
Yeah.
her.
For sure, man. For sure. Clinton, I have no words to thank you, man. I have no words for real. I am in love with this whole thing that we've been creating here. It's the second week that we already passed it together, day after day, recording and talking to the world.
I
Because I
know
can
it.
see, man, I can see that it's not just my Brazilian students who are consuming this content. I'm getting so many listeners from different countries, probably the ones that you met and you talked about them some episodes ago, lots
Yeah,
of
they found
people.
me again.
Probably
But
they are
no,
gonna be
that's really
like,
great.
do you have Instagram?
I do not. I'm bad at social media. I have a Facebook that I usually check once a day for about 5 minutes, and then that's about it.
I see, I see. But I was about to ask you, but you use the WhatsApp, right? Of course you do. I talk to you there. But
Yeah.
that's no point. The truth is, I am going to schedule some questions, some nice questions about technology for the next class. Maybe put you in pair because some people said that the American guys, like the native ones from the United States, they don't use to send audios on WhatsApp. Is that true?
No, most people in the US don't do that.
Yeah, we're going to be talking about related topics to these things that people say it's true. And you were coming here to confirm them or to say, no, this is not true. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
At least as much as I experience it.
Okay. Yeah. From your person, from
Personal experience. Yeah,
personal
like, I'm always
experience.
going to put that hedge up. Like, if you find an exceptional case from what I've said, okay, perfect. Like,
Yeah.
because I only know so much.
All right, dude. All right. So, Clinton Davis, let's go home, man. I must go. I'll have a class in a second. And I'm going to be happier because I recorded all the episodes that I wanted with you. Next week, we're going to be back here, right?
We are.
Yeah. So, have a great one, my dear friend. See you around.
All righty. I'm getting more around every day.
Yeah, totally, totally. Well, I hope you have enjoyed the talk for today. You can find us on Instagram, Spotify, YouTube, and many other social medias. You just have to type VPFI forever, and there will be a lot of other content there for you. Have a great one. See you next time. VPFI forever.